The One Big Beautiful Bill Act made major changes to overtime pay and tip income, and the IRS has subsequently already put together a draft of the 2026 Form W-2. And this is very recently where the IRS put this out. So you're looking at that draft, one of the first people to ever see this. Now, the form itself looks very similar to previous year's W-2s. If you're looking at it here, the typical box 1, box 3, box 5, wages and tips. Box 2 is going to be your federal tax withholding. Then the W-2 also reports those Social Security and Medicare payments. But something that is often overlooked when someone is analyzing a W-2, either an employer, a taxpayer, or a tax professional like myself, are the box 12 codes. So the W-2 you're looking at right now on the bottom right-hand quadrant of the monitor I'm sharing and of this is box 12. And box 12, you can see where it says A, B, C, D. Those are boxes that indicate special situations on the W-2. Now, there are 3 changes to this draft W-2 based on the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, or OB3, that are put on box 12. So the instructions show you here that these are all the different types of codes that could be in that box 12. Many of them are already commonly used that you might be familiar with. Probably the most popular are going to be your retirement plan contributions, which are the, let's say AA for a Roth contribution, or contributions to in a Section 125 plan. So you're going pre-tax with your health insurance and that sort of stuff. Box DD, custom employer sponsored health coverage, is another very popular thing that's going to be shown. But let me talk through the 3 new instruction for employee letters, TA. So employers now can contribute on behalf of their employees to Trump accounts, and that would be identified with that TA in box 12. TP was going to stand for amount of cash tips. And that's going to determine that deduction for qualified tips. That doesn't necessarily mean you automatically get the deduction, but this is a way for your employer to communicate with the employee how much of the wages are cash tips. And these W-2s, by the way, go to the Internal Revenue Service. They are submitted to whatever state that you work in as well. The third and final abbreviation that I'm going to talk about today are TT. TT stands for the amount of qualified overtime compensation. So again, that's another big amount that's very important to people that earned overtime. Does it guarantee you that you're going to get the overtime deduction? No, but it's telling the employee and the government how much of your wages on this W-2 represents qualified overtime pay. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the Teaching Tax Law YouTube channel to get more tips, not only in this OB3 special playlist, but other tax planning and strategy ideas that can help you save some money.